Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use Kommo CRM step by step for beginner in 2025. If you are looking for a simple and powerful CRM to manage leads, automate messages and close more deals, Kommo is a great choice. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up your pipeline, add leads and contact, and even automate sale conversation. Also, you will able to integrate messaging app like WhatsApp, Instagram, and more. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting whole video, I will mention you need like what is Kommo CRM. So Kommo, formerly Amo CRM, is a cloud-based CRM designed for conversational sales, and the key feature is included, that is visual sales pipeline, automation and chatbots, then native integration with WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, even Telegram and email, lead scoring, task tracking, and also has the reporting tools, perfect for small to medium teams that thrive on messaging platforms. So now here you can see that they have this kind of a products. These are, I already mentioned. If you see the pricing here, you will find out that their base price is $15 USD per month, then advanced one is $25 USD, enterprise one is 45. So they also provide 14-day trial. As you can see, try it for 14 days, so you can use this one. So let's click on to this one. Let us try and go with continuing with Google. This is the simplest one, that's why I choose this one. So here I will choose or select my mail address, then I will click on to the continue. Once I click over here, then it will take a while. Then here you can see Kommo.com is it, and we are already landed into the dashboard. So here they are asking for our number, so I will connect with in support chat, then click on to the next. What industry you are in, I can say digital, and I have an creative agency, 2 to 5 member, and here you can see this is the thing we get. So select your WhatsApp tool, you could choose it or you could leave it, it's totally up to you. So you will land it on the dashboard right now, where you will see leads pipeline. Here you can see this is the lead pipeline, then task and notification, this, then contact database. Here you have this mail, then list, this is the pipeline. Like in the left corner you have couple of things, then chat options, link to your connected messaging app, then a report and analytics tool. Like let's now build your first sales pipeline with your Kommo CRM. So set up your sales pipeline. How you can do it, you just need to customize your pipeline. You just need to go to the pipeline setting. Here let's click onto the list and then find out our pipeline setting. So here, where is the pipeline setting? So I already saw into the mail, calendar, list. Let's try to find it out. Click onto the dashboard. Here you can see this is the dashboard. So let's search for the pipeline setting, pipeline, and let's hit enter, and here you can see this is the pipeline. So if you want to add a pipeline, you can go through these options. Let's check this out all one by one. Calendar, just click to the setting also again. So you can see here setting, we have couple of things. You can install Instagram, Facebook, Viber, Skype, any apps you are allowed to install it here. So I'm going to click to the dashboard again, and then I will go to the pipeline setting. Here we have events. Okay, that's great. So the dashboard is really amazing, and it is, the UI is really great, I can say it. So this is the pipeline we have. So you just need to click on this new add, just click over here, and you just need to be added here. So this is the thing. So let's add a contact. Him, last time, company name will be World Grab. Then you can add work phone, then work email. You just need to provide a work email. Then give a position, that will be CEO. Then click to the save, and here you can see our inquiry has been set. You just need to be add task plan here. So let's go to the leads here, and here you can see our lead has been added. So you just need to drag and drop to the recorded stage. Here you can have the stages one by one. You just need to drag and drop one by one. Then you can create multiple pipelines for different service or teams. Let me give you a tip, like you can keep stages clear and actionable to easily track your sales flow. So now we are going to talk about this called add leads and contact. So you can add leads in a three-way: manually using the add lead button, or from a connected message app like WhatsApp or Instagram. Then you could it by importing a spreadsheet, it means the CSV file. Then each lead can have new phone, email, as you can already saw that in the video. Then you have custom field for budget, product. Let me show you again. Just click to the new lead, and here you can see we have this one, this feature. So let's click to this one. Here you can see it, all the necessary things we have. So you just need to fulfill it step by step. Then every interaction is logged on the lead timeline, call, emails, task, and messages. Now we are going to integrate messages and emails in our Kommo CRM. So you just need to go to the setting, just click to the setting, and then you will get an option called communication tools in the last. Just click over here, communication tools, and you are allowed to connect apps like WhatsApp Business AI. Here you can see you can add templates, salesboard, and many things here. If you want to integration here, from that place you are allowed to integrate messaging options like WhatsApp Business API, Instagram DM, then Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Gmail, or Outlook. Also here you can see it. Now you can chat directly from Kommo, no switching apps. Each message thread is linked to the lead's profile and pipeline also. Then you can do automate with digital pipeline, like Kommo digital pipeline lets you automate your workflow. You just need to click on pipeline stage and then set up automation action, like just click to the dashboard. Then you will get to auto send an email or WhatsApp message, then assign a task, then add tags or updated fields, and then trigger chatbot conversation. This saves time and ensure no leads slip through the cracks. Then we are going to talk about the task notes and reminders. So inside each lead card you can add task, call, email, meeting, then leave notes about the client, and also you can set reminders with due dates. Then you can track task completions on your dashboard. Your task tab keeps your day organized and focused. Now let's talk about the report and analytics. This is the important one. Like head to the analytics tab to the view. You can view team performance, pipeline conversation rate. Then you can see sales volume and task completion. Also, you can filter by repeat, time stage, or channel to identify what's working. Reports help you improve follow-up speed and forecast better. Now, let's wrap up the video here. If you found out this tutorial is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.